By the end of 2025, AI job postings have exploded by 3,500% compared to 2020, yet less than 2% of professionals actually possess AI skills. This creates an unprecedented skills gap and opportunity. In 2026, you're positioned at the perfect moment to capitalize on this massive demand-supply imbalance. Learning AI today is analogous to learning to drive in the 1920s when most people thought cars were a passing fad. Those who learned early gained massive advantages as the world transformed around automotive technology. Similarly, AI represents the fundamental, driving skills of our digital age, giving early adopters significant competitive advantages. By day 365, you'll possess the ability to teach machines to identify patterns that humans miss, use data to make accurate future predictions, and automate complex decision-making processes. These aren't theoretical concepts but practical skills that will define the next generation of technology professionals. Your capabilities will extend far beyond traditional programming into machine intelligence. Our comprehensive curriculum is structured around three essential pillars that build upon each other systematically. The foundation phase establishes your technical groundwork, the core AI phase introduces machine learning concepts, and the specialization phase allows you to develop expertise in specific domains. This progressive structure ensures solid understanding at each level. The foundations pillar focuses on essential technical skills including Python programming mastery, statistical analysis fundamentals, and data manipulation techniques. Think of this phase as learning the alphabet before writing novels. These core competencies are prerequisite to everything that follows. Without solid foundations, advanced AI concepts become incomprehensible. The core AI pillar introduces the fundamental concepts of machine learning, including various algorithms, neural network architectures, and deep learning principles. This is where the theoretical magic happens. You'll understand how machines actually learn from data and make intelligent predictions. These concepts form the backbone of all modern AI applications. The specialization pillar allows you to choose your AI superpower from three high-demand domains. Computer vision enables machines to interpret visual information, natural language processing handles human language understanding, and reinforcement learning creates systems that learn through interaction. This specialization makes you uniquely valuable in specific industries. Our curriculum emphasizes practical application over pure theory through project-based learning milestones. By month 3, you'll build your first machine learning model, by month 6 you'll create neural networks from scratch, and by month 12 you'll have a professional portfolio. This hands-on approach ensures you develop real-world problem-solving skills, not just theoretical knowledge. The financial rewards for AI expertise are substantial, with average AI engineers earning $165,000 and senior practitioners commanding over $300,000 annually. Beyond monetary compensation, these skills position you to tackle humanity's most pressing challenges including healthcare, climate change, and technological advancement. Your expertise will have both personal and societal impact. To illustrate your future capabilities, consider a neural network that recognizes handwritten digits, technology that seemed magical just decades ago. By day 365, you'll not only understand such systems but be able to create and modify them for entirely different problems. This represents the transformation from consumer to creator of AI technology. Our systematic day-by-day approach leverages the compound effect of consistent learning, requiring just 15 minutes of daily commitment. This methodology is scientifically proven to be more effective than intensive cramming sessions. Small daily progress accumulates into substantial expertise over 365 days, making the learning process manageable while ensuring retention. Tomorrow's session focuses on practical setup, beginning with Python installation and writing your first line of code. No prior programming experience is required. We start from absolute zero and build systematically. This hands-on approach ensures you gain confidence through immediate practical application rather than overwhelming theoretical concepts. Success in this journey requires commitment to daily practice and systematic progression through the curriculum. Set daily reminders at the same time to establish a learning habit. The compound effect of consistent 15-minute daily sessions will fundamentally transform both your career prospects and your understanding of technology's potential impact. The AI revolution is an unstoppable force that will reshape every industry and profession in the coming decades. You have a choice. Develop the skills to drive this transformation or remain a passive observer as it unfolds around you. By choosing active participation in this curriculum, you're positioning yourself as a creator and leader in the AI-powered future rather than merely a consumer of others' innovations.